Hello, in this video I will show you how to install software for your SteelSeries CS2 Dragon Lore edition. To install software for it on Mac, simply go to any browser. I'll turn the brightness down a little bit. I think that will be appropriate. Then simply search for SteelSeries Engine. That's like the name of the software. Now, go to any SteelSeries website, basically. Okay, let's go here. Yeah, let's click on free download. With the Mac version, of course, remember to select the Mac version. I'll allow downloads. Okay, let's wait until it gets downloaded. It may take a moment. It's a PKG file, by the way. Oh, okay, I'll find it here. Now, once it's downloaded, just go to the file, double click on it, then click on continue. Now read the EULA, click on continue, click on agree, then click on continue, and now click on install. You may need to enter your Touch ID or password. It'll start validating everything and doing stuff that it has to do, right? It asks for system permissions, and you can see it was blocked. So let's click on let's enable it manually in system settings. Go to system settings, although I don't know what has appeared right now. Let's enable keystrokes, so also let's open system settings. It'll show us the keystroke. To get that enabled, let's enable it. Then let's use my Touch ID again. Okay, I'll reopen it later. Let's go back. Then here in the, not in here, but in general, then in the login items and extensions, right? Go down until you find driver extension, I believe. I think you can click on this eye icon. It's not available here for some reason. So if it's not here, then I don't really think we need to care about that. Yeah, because it should be here, so it's their problem probably. Now let's just go. If you have a SteelSeries account, you can click on I have it. If you don't have it, click on I don't have it. I'll skip the step for now, I'll do it later. Let's click on continue anyway. And now we can go to, I believe, the engine here, and then you should see the mouse, but I need to reopen it. That's weird. These are Windows stuff, but let's. Okay, I'll quit it like that. I'll quit it here, then reopen it. Let's see if it now works. It should be working, I really hope it does. I'll move the installer to trash already because it's not important anymore. Yeah, it's not like the best designed app, honestly. I think they could do a little bit better. But from what I can see, it doesn't even really open. So, yeah. I'm not happy with it. Where is the app? Okay, it's here. I think it's opening. Yeah, we have the mouse. We can click on it and manage it. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.